Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. It's been a long time since I've recorded a video. I did a short not too long ago, but as far as a video going up, it's been a while. So I hope you all are doing well. And yeah, I just want to jump on here and kind of show you what plants are doing really good in my garden. And yeah, I'll just kind of jump around. We recently had a lot of rain in California, in Southern California, and so I just wanted to kind of show you how things are looking. So first I'll go over to my cactus over here in a pot. This guy is way overgrown and I need to cut it because it's going over my fence now. But if you see, it's growing really well. That's one of them that's just taken off, like too much. I have my Aeonium here. It is growing season for Aeonium, so all my Aeoniums are looking fabulous. So I'll just go around and show you that. There's that one. There's my Aeonium Sunburst, which I have to put it in it's still in a pot there. I have to put it in the planter. There's this guy. Some kiwis looking beautiful. Oops. This was all cuttings when I put them in this pot, and now they are thriving. I'll have to look for if I have a picture of this guy, because it was totally just cuttings looking really sad when I originally potted them up. Are those? Forgot what Aeonium this one is. It's not a kiwi. I think they're more a little bit supposed to be purple. I mean, sunburst, I was thinking. But there's that one. What other one? Oh, this one too. I'll have to remember the name of this one. I forgot what it's called. So pretty. Those have been doing really well since it is growing season for them. These plants as well have been doing well. These are in containers still. I never got around to potting them up, but they're doing so great under my cover here. If you've been following my channel, you know that me and my dad made this years ago now. So they've been under here. They get like morning sun and then afternoon, you know, filtered light. So they're looking really good. Here are some more Aeoniums. This one I have to figure out. It's kind of growing into the cage there, which it's gonna need some more space soon. But yeah, this elephant bush is growing out of control. I'll have to cut that one back. My topsy-turvy is like lost. It's absolutely lost. The bottom is lost. Let me back up so you can see that, how lost it is. So there's the top of the topsy-turvy, and there's 3 more pots that are just covered in that elephant bush that grows crazy. That is actually in the ground, so makes sense that it's just going wild there. I'll definitely cut that back, but it looks pretty. It looks pretty. That looks pretty, but just a lot. I have some down here that are doing really good. Those Embercatas. I got some millies, but there's some cute little babies that are still doing good. I have to clean it out and probably treat it. This one's stretching for light. It really needs more light. Definitely need to clean all those leaves up. That'll be fun. This one here is a Rhabdosedum California Sunset. So that one definitely could use more light, but it is doing good. But it is pretty green because it has been getting a lot of rain and also kind of in shade there. Those are beauties over there. These guys are really plump as well. I have to pull this one down because it's so pretty. This one's growing so pretty. The water has done it really well. See a little spider there or something. They're doing super good in this hanging pot thing. Enjoying it right there. My back cactus is doing well there. Let's see what else else can I see? This is the one I pointed out in my short. It has alumite, so I sprayed it. I think I'm just gonna cut that one out and let the babies kind of take its place, because I'm not really liking this whole, I mean, I just don't like it. So I'm gonna cut it and place it somewhere else and see if it can give me more babies from where I cut. But I don't like the look of it, so I'm gonna take it out of my garden. That aloe is doing really good back there. What else? These agavoides need a little bit more space, so that'll probably help if I take that big mama out. Another one that I have to clean up is this beauty. She needs like just some love and care, so I need to, there's a lot of pots that I need to just focus on getting back in order here. There's this beauty, this agavoides. So pretty. She does so well. She's growing beautifully. Let me see what else. This is my Echeveria Olivia, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. She's so pretty. Little, small little rosettes. I love her. She's gorgeous. Let's see what else. Oh, I wanted to show you my Superbum. This one needs water. He's thirsty. I wanted to show you my Superbum that's variegated. Look at this baby. Oh, look how pretty she is. This is Mama. There's another baby back here. They need new soil. I mean, they're doing good right now, but I think they need like new soil and all that. So I'm gonna show you a shot of those beauties. Yes, there's a lot of plants that obviously like I need to redo. It's just they're not doing the best, but overall, like everything that's under my succulent hut here, thriving. Everything except my one that got alumite, but everything that's getting like constant watering, like through rain, not constant because I mean we just got a rain, but they're all doing really good. I feel like I need to put all my plants that are here under my awning. I feel like I need to put them out here, in here, so that they get more sun when it rains, more sun and then rain when it rains, because I just love all the way these are looking. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here real quick. I hope you all are doing well, and I'm hoping to make more videos. I need to get out in the garden more just for my own mental health. Work has been busy, and so I feel like I need to, for my mental health, just get outside, get my hands dirty in the garden and plant up some beautiful arrangements and just come back to our community, our plant community. So I hope you enjoyed this video, just showing you a little bit of my plants, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.